Good morning, everybody. My name is Jonathan. This is Selina. Welcome to Jonathan Explores. Today is a very special day for us. Today is our wedding anniversary. It's the 28th of December. And today we are going on a very long journey. We are going to Goa, which is around 600 kilometers from Mumbai. Right now, we're just loading the van up. We're organizing the van a bit. The time is 1:22 p.m. in the afternoon. We were busy with all the Christmas festivities, so we didn't get time to prepare for the trip, which is why we started like preparing yesterday, and preparation is still going on right now. So which is why we are late today. But that's okay. Anyway, we plan to do the full trip in 2 days. We plan to reach Goa in 2 days. So we'll stay over somewhere in the night at some hotel or homestay or something, and then tomorrow we'll continue. So the main reason why we're going to Goa is for a wedding, for my best friend's wedding. If possible, we'll try and vlog the wedding. We'll see. Selina's sister and her husband, my brother-in-law, will also be joining us. So after we pack the stuff, we'll go and we'll pick them up and then we'll head to Goa. So we'll see you on the road. See you. Bye. We were all set to go, but then our roof box, one of the straps broke, so we had to find a local cobbler and get that buckle fixed for that strap. So in that, a lot of time got wasted, and right now it's 5:33 p.m. So it doesn't look like we'll be driving much. Maybe around 200-300 kilometers we'll cover, and then we'll find a place to stay for the night. Let me introduce you to my sister-in-law Jamera and her husband Daryl. So they are coming along with us to Goa. So they won't be attending the wedding. Only Selina and myself will be attending the wedding. After the wedding, all four of us will go out here and there sightseeing and all that. We'll enjoy after that. Since we got late, we already had our lunch and everything. We finished all of that. And we are setting out pretty late. So let's see. Don't know how much I'll be able to drive because I'm already quite tired. So let's see.
Maybe we'll be just out of town.
Yeah, maybe we'll just be out of Bombay and then we'll decide to spend the night somewhere over there. Chalo.
Okay.
Now we start. Chalo. Journey begins now finally. We are finally on the official Goa highway, which is NH66. This is the old Bombay-Goa highway, and the road is quite smooth. Although I know that ahead because we had gone to Mahabaleshwar recently, so there are a few diversions here and there. But other than that, the road is fine. I don't know about after Mahabaleshwar cutout. I don't know how the road is after that. But so far so good. We're enjoying the drive. So we had two route options. One is this old Goa highway, and one is from Pune Bangalore expressway via that route. We chose this route because it's more scenic. The time is 3:35 p.m. and we are all quite hungry, so we are searching for a nice decent dhaba to stop the car and have lunch. Guys, we stopped at a dhaba to have tea, and ordered 2 teas because Selina and I are not having sugar. I mean, we'll have, but once in a while. So I'm just chilling at the back, resting my back, my legs. Not that it's paining or anything, but just resting in general. How was the tea? Was it good?
It's so nice.
Nice?
Masala tea, yeah.
Masala tea.
Taste was very nice. I liked it.
Selina's having tea that she bought from home. I'm just relaxing. So Daryl is changing into shorts because he's feeling very hot. So he's going to change into shorts. And a little update about this roof carrier bag. It's doing well so far. First time we are using it. It took a little time to set up. Actually, it had like 4 extra straps, which I had to like put cable tie, and then I cut the cable tie and put tape around. So the cut cable tie is a little sharp. It would have punctured the bag. So, I mean, it could have, but I didn't want to risk it. So it's holding up well. It's not moved at all. It's in place. All the straps are nice and tight, secure. I think it's a good product from what it seems. Let's see how long it lasts. So guys, we just finished having tea. So we'll pack up and we'll continue. Maybe 2-3 hours more we'll drive, and then we'll search for a place to stay the night. And then tomorrow we'll continue our drive to Goa. Guys, we stopped at this Chinese restaurant right next to the highway itself. We decided to stop here, and the plan is now we'll have some dinner, and after that we'll find a hotel or a homestay or something to spend the night, and tomorrow morning we'll continue driving. Tomorrow morning the plan is to start early because we want to cover as much distance as possible. What do you want to eat? Do you all have anything in mind, or shall I order? I'll order. एक लॉलीपॉप फुल में कितना पीस आता है? एक फुल लॉलीपॉप कितना पीस आता है उसमें? 6 पीस. एक फुल करो, और एक चिकन ट्रिपल राइस और चिकन मंचूरियन ग्रेवी. स्पाइसी नहीं चाहिए, स्पाइसी नहीं चाहिए. वो चिकन ट्रिपल शेजवान स्पाइसी करो, नॉर्मल करो, नॉर्मल ना, नॉर्मल. लेकिन मंचूरियन और चिकन फ्राइड राइस स्पाइसी मत बनाओ. We should have bought a second key and we should have given it to Daryl to keep in his pocket.
Yeah, no?
Second car key. If the key gets locked inside by mistake, we have to call home. They have to come for me wherever they are, give us the key. Or I'll have to go home, get the key and come here. Now we are in some village. We don't know where we are. We also don't know where we are. We have to find the railway station. Sit to one full day will go like that way only. First time I'm going to be eating lollipop without any sauce. Huh?
Trying it. And then you tell me.
Jonathan explores. Jonathan explores. Jonathan explores. Jonathan. Guys, our food has just arrived. This is the chicken fried rice, and this is the chicken triple fried rice. That's the gravy for the chicken triple rice. Everything looks amazing, smells amazing. Now taste test is only left.
Manchurian is left.
Manchurian is left. And also we ordered again more lollipop.
And Manchurian.
Because the first round of lollipops was excellent, so we ordered some more lollipop. Love, just serve him now. Arey, don't worry about Odomos too much, yaar.
I have to worry. I can hold a bowl.
So literally easy, serving. Like that. That's the best. Manchurian has come. Everything looks good and smells really good.
This is not a gravy.
I bet it's going to taste good.
Soup only mancha.
It comes with that.
Entry with that, he said.
And gravy also comes, right? They're giving the gravy, right?
Yeah, giving it.
That triple rice is that only. You get everything together.
Shall I serve you?
Serve me.
Put your fork that side.
Triple rice, you get everything. Love. Gravy, rice, egg, omelette. Wow. It's glistening, huh? The chicken is glistening. I'm very hungry. I'm really hungry. Good we stopped here. And the reason why we stopped here is because there was a lot of crowd over here when we came. Always good to stop in places where there's a lot of crowd. That means the food is good.
Who's
My treat today.
Tell them why.
Because today my treat, guys. Because yesterday was our wedding anniversary. So today is my treat. I mean, we didn't celebrate it with them. We've completed 3 years of marriage, and hope that we have many more years.
Happy years, 3 happy years of marriage. We complete.
According to Selena, happy years, not according to me. I'm just kidding. Very nice food, but too spicy for Selena.
Now take this rice and roll it.
Yeah.
Because the one that is mixed like.
होटल का नाम क्या है? बहुत अच्छा खाना है. हाँ, मज़ा आया. हाँ.
Trisha Family Chinese Fast Food.
एक मिनट मैं पूछता हूँ. होटल का नाम क्या है?
होटल का नाम Trisha Family Chinese Fast Food.
Trisha Family Channel Fast Food. Very nice food, excellent food. We enjoyed ourselves. If you're on this highway, I'll put the location of this place in the description. If you're driving by, you can stop and enjoy good Chinese food over here. Guys, the time is 11 p.m. right now. We checked into this hotel around 1 hour ago. Yeah, the hotel is in Mangaon. It's right in the town itself, in between. It's not in a remote location on the highway or anything. It's right in the middle of smack in the middle of town. And quite a decent hotel, quite a decent room. Nothing very fancy about it, but it's decent. It gets the job done. Toilets and all are clean, so that's the most important thing for us. Toilet should be clean. Then Jamera and Daryl are on top, same room, exact same room, but one floor above.
No.
On top, second floor.
You're on the second.
We are on the second floor. They are one floor down there. Same room, one floor down. I got confused. I thought we were in the down room and they were on top. So they are also in their room. They must have gone to bed by now. We enjoyed our day. We enjoyed our dinner. And tomorrow's plan is we'll leave at 6 a.m. in the morning. And let's see, either we'll drive to Goa or we'll go sightseeing or whatever. We'll see. We'll decide tomorrow what to do.
Yeah.
Or tonight we'll sit and plan.
You covered only how much of the journey?
150 kilometers only we did. We didn't go very far today because we left late, and then I didn't want to drive in the night. So as soon as it became dark, we had dinner and then we searched for this place. By the way, this place is around 2 or 3 kilometers from where we had dinner, further down the highway towards Goa. So not very far off. We didn't drive much in the night, so that's a good thing. I prefer getting up early and driving early in the morning. Thank you very much for watching the video till here. And please like this video. Please give it a like because it helps the algorithm and it helps us get noticed. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow in our next vlog. Bye. Good night. Happy doggy, go. She's calling you. Happy doggy, come. Come. She's hungry. I thought she may not eat it.